have the hiccups. I'm not really annoyed. I just don't quite understand what's happening to me. How you doing, kiddo? Yeah. It's real bright out, too. Mom made me get out of bed. Maybe that's why I have the hiccups. I'm not sure. Oh, big hiccup. At any rate, I just wanted to say good morning. It's going to be another lovely day in San Francisco.